This video will show you how to install and use the new Insta360 motorcycle bundle. Heavy-duty clamp mount. Attach this mount to your handlebar for an epic perspective of the rider's view and the environment. Place the clamp on the handlebar and turn the knob clockwise to tighten it. If the handlebar surface is smooth, use the included wrench to tighten the clamp and ensure it's secure. Align the 1/4-inch screw hole on the bottom of the camera with the screw on the heavy-duty clamp mount. Turn the lock wheel clockwise until it is tight to secure the camera. To loosen the camera and adjust the angle, turn the knob counterclockwise for 2 or more turns. Once adjusted, turn the knob clockwise to tighten and lock the angle. Flexible adhesive mount. Unlock more perspectives using the flexible adhesive mount. Perfect for mounting on gas caps, windshields, helmets, and more. Before mounting, wipe the surface with a cleaning wipe and ensure the surface is dry and smooth. Peel off the bottom sticker and stick the flexible adhesive mount to the surface. Press and hold for around 30 seconds to ensure it is securely attached. Please note that the bottom adhesive sticker is one-time use and cannot be restuck elsewhere. After sticking, leave it for 24 hours before use. The flexible adhesive mount has a 3-prong adapter. You can attach a camera with a 1/4-inch screw hole using the adapter.